join us from a bit of a blustery E10 park up. We are just a little way off of the Norwegian border. There's a nice frozen lake. It got down to -14 last night. It was definitely cold. So we're now just over 400 metres up in the mountains, and you can see the wind turbines are having a day of it. There's a fair bit of snow getting blown across the road, and the wind is hitting the van quite hard. It does make driving interesting. So need to clear over this mountain pass and down the other side. There's the view. And down there is the van. Well, that looks quite nice, doesn't it? Going down there underneath the bridge, up to the fjord. After a little bit of hunting round, I found the actual waterfall I've been looking for. Just come down here. A little bit snowy and a little bit steep. Down under the bush, tree arms, branch. Right. Follow someone else's footsteps who's already been here, coming back obviously. So there we go. Got out to the plateau-y type rock area. And look, I'm not going to attempt to get any closer. This is certainly close enough, and there is quite a bit of ice on the edge, so as you can see. Look, there's a bit there. And I've got to go back up that little path just there, up past the railings, back up to the road and back up to the van, and it's just started to snow. So, yep, time to call it. Welcome to Camp Outer. I'm not quite sure how well my audio is going to pick up. I've had to put my microphone inside my jacket, so it's a little bit muffled potentially. I'll see if I can fix it out in production if need be. Well, we've got plenty of snow. It's -3. We're parked just over here. We just pulled in, got ourselves onto the
parking space. Had a quick little look around. We've got some ladies' toilets and showers, men's toilets and showers, and then there's a wash facility around the corner for the camping. That, believe it or not, is a frozen lake, and we're just through the building there.
It's not quite frozen enough.
No, but it's certainly starting to get there. That's why they've had to push the barge out the water a little bit so it's further out, because you'll walk out on the ice to it later on, and it needs to be out there ready for the ice to freeze around it. And it's just out there. Snow is roughly 6 inches deep in places. Certainly over by the tree there is. This is a little bit more trod down where vehicles have been on it, including us. There's the jetty going out. I'm curious how frozen it is. Let's go and have a look. Yeah, going to nip down a little jetty. Just have a little look. The old diesel heater's chugging away, just keeping the van nice and warm. We'll put the cover over the front in a minute. That will stop the screen from freezing up and also give us better warmth. We are also going to put the one over the bonnet again, because that needs to be done. From a certain perspective, I probably should have done that already, so as to keep the heat in the engine. It's not going to keep it all in, obviously, because we're still up at the Arctic, basically. So, here, oh yeah, look at this. Nice deep snow. None of this pretend snow that we get in the UK. Need to be mindful of my step. Make sure there's no gap. There's the jetty. There we go. Someone's already walked on here before, so I'll follow their footsteps. Look how deep the snow goes, look. Let's see how frozen it is. Damn. That's pretty frozen. Look at that. Wow, there we go. I'm not going to go and fully stand on it, but that is really solid, really solid. Right, let's go and get the van wrapped up, nice and ready for the night, and put this back up in a bit. When I'm back in the van, it was rather nice walking around the campsite, albeit a bit cold. It's now -4 outside according to the roof. Oh, there you go. And -3 according to the side sensor, so it's about -3, -4 degrees currently outside. I've got two sensors. I've got one that's inside the petrol cap and one that's up on the roof to give me two variants of where the temperature can be taken from outside, so I can sort of cast a judgment between them and give me a rough idea of the outside temperature. In here we are currently 20 degrees, so it's nice and toasty, and we're about to have some food. So tonight we are going to have bacon grill, good old baked beans, can't go wrong with baked beans, and Idaho mashed potato. If you haven't tried this, this is incredible. Yes, some people go, oh, it's instant. Kind of, yeah. You mix it up with hot water, but it's dried rather than like the other stuff is done, so it actually does become proper mashed potato again, and it's absolutely lovely. Really good for using in the van actually, because it's got no shelf life pretty much. It's just there and you can use it as and when. So we'll get this underway and come back to you in a bit. And dinner is served. Oh, looks lovely. We're going to tuck into this and speak to you a bit later.